If you're facing a connection error stating, Valorant has encountered a connection error, please relaunch the client to reconnect. Then this video is for you. Alright, so let's go. The first thing you want to do is to click the search bar and type in services and open the app. And here you want to find a service named VGC, and once you find it, right-click on it and head into its properties. Here for the startup type select Automatic, and then apply and OK. Now right-click on it again and click Start. Once it gets done, close everything. Head to the search bar again. Type in MSC and open this System Configuration app. Here go over to Services tab and find the VGC service we just started. You can also click this Hide All Microsoft Services so it can be found easily. Now once you find it, make sure it is checked. And make sure to confirm that the VGC belongs to Riot Games. Lastly, click Apply and OK. Now just restart your PC and launch the game. This time you won't face any problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks.